You can't force a man to love you, but you can make it almost impossible for him to forget you. You can be the kind of woman he can't resist. Most women don't realize this. You think by texting him, by showing him so much love, by always being available, you're basically trying to love him into loving you back. But the problem is, the more you give like that, the more he relaxes, the less he feels the need to step up. And over time, you'd realize that you're overgiving, he's underperforming. And before you know it, you start wondering, why does he not love me? Why does he not reciprocate? Why does he treat me this way? This is the truth you need to hear. Men don't fall in love because you give more. They fall in love because of how you made them feel over time. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Adorable Chidi, and here I talk about topics that help women become the better version of themselves. If that's what you're looking for, subscribe and hit the notification button so you never miss a video. Today, we're talking about a topic every woman needs to hear: how to make a man fall madly in love with you without trying or chasing. And by the end of this video, you learn how to attract the right kind of love without trying or begging. So let's dive in. Number one, mystery. So you meet a man today, and by next week, he already knows about your secrets, your stories, your struggles, your everything. And you wonder why he's not drawn to you. It's because you gave him the whole book even before he earned a single page. Let me tell you something. Men don't chase what is already fully understood. They get curious about what unfolds slowly. So pull back, let him discover you and not download you. Number two, have a life. Have a life outside the relationship. When you make someone the center of your world, they stop valuing your time. Have your life, keep your goals, keep your routine, keep your friends. Don't discard them because you found love. Love him, but don't lose yourself. Because when you have your life, the relationship feels like a choice and not a need. Number three, let him earn you. When a man gets your attention, your loyalty, your effort too easily, he won't feel the need to step up. He won't value you. Let his actions be consistent. Let his efforts be consistent. Let him earn you. Let him work hard for you. He may profess all the love in this world, but let him show workings and not cho. Do not give wifey treatment to a man who has not worked hard, who has not showed his full intention. Because when a man earns you, he values you. And trust me, he will never take you for granted. Number four, emotional control. Not everything needs a reaction. When you panic over any little thing, like late reply, small changes, you panic, you worry, you give away your power and you start allowing the situation to control you. Sometimes stay calm, say less, and just observe. Keep your power and don't give it out. You see, this is not about playing games. It's about having standard. It's about knowing your worth. Because if a man truly wants you, you won't need to convince him. So stop trying to make him fall in love with you. Start becoming the kind of woman he naturally falls for. Because if he needs you, you won't need to pressure him. He will simply show up. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and drop a comment, and I'll see you in my next one.